Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So sorry I look a hot mess. I just got off a Peloton ride with Cody Rigsby and I am sweaty and gross and ready to shower. But for today's video, it calls for me shampooing and conditioning my hair because I am going to be dyeing my hair rose gold using Kristin Ess Rose Gold Temporary Tint. You can purchase it at Target. I will leave up here how much it retails for because I don't know off the top of my head because your girl purchased this months ago and it's been sitting in my hallway cupboard and it's honestly never been used. You can check the little nozzle. It would be like pink if I had used it. So I'm stoked to try this. It's supposed to last 2 to 3 days. What you do is you shampoo your hair, you wring it out or you towel dry it. You apply it all over your head, leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, and then condition and rinse, and then you should have rose gold hair. Now you do need to apply it on pre-lightened or highlighted hair. I am a natural brunette, but your girl hasn't had her roots done in months now because of quarantine. So I thought it would be fun to switch it up. So I look fly, sitting on my couch, watching Netflix, playing Animal Crossing on Nintendo Switch, and yeah, let's give this a shot. Let's see how it turns out. Let's see if it actually works. Here we go, let's do it. All right, you guys, we are back. I am so excited to see the results from this. I just want to say that I did almost use the entire can. I did apply the pink 2-3 times just because I just felt like it wasn't covering all of my hair and I wanted it to be very pigmented and I didn't want it to look really faintly pink. So just want to put that out there. If you have longer hair, I would order 2 bottles and I definitely won't be able to do a second application. There's like barely anything left. Maybe like put it in my conditioner maybe, and maybe it'll make the color last a little bit longer, but yeah, I don't even know if my hair is pink. So it could be blonde if my hair is, so let's just check it out and see. Oh my God. No, I got like pretty pink. Wow, I'm surprised. I mean, you guys, just like I said, I reapplied it. I mean, I didn't like rinse it and reapply it, but I had it, put my hair up in a towel, and then I applied it 2 more times after that without rinsing. And then I left it sitting for 5 to 7 minutes, not 1 to 2 minutes, just because I was like, I really want it pigmented. I don't want it to look really light. And yeah, I'm so impressed. Let's take a look at the back. I mean, this is wet. So I feel like when I dry it, it'll probably be lighter than this. So let's see. I'm gonna add some Way leave-in conditioner. My hair dries really fast just because I have naturally straight hair and my hair is a little bit more fine. And then I'm gonna add Super Skinny Paul Mitchell. This is where I went to school. I like swear by Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. Just takes away the frizziness and you wanna start at the ends. It is oil, so you don't wanna apply at the roots, otherwise you're gonna have like really oily roots and you don't want that if you just showered. By the way, yes, I applied some tinted moisturizer and mascara before seeing my hair just so I can feel a little bit better about myself since I have not really been wearing makeup at all during quarantine, which has been honestly a really nice break for my skin. So yeah. Let's go ahead and blow dry. I use Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Express Ion. All right, my friends, this is the finished look, and honestly, I am so impressed. I did not think that this would turn out this pigmented. Granted, I did leave it on around 10 to 15 minutes. But with that being said, overall, like 10 out of 10, I highly recommend it, especially if you're somebody who has always wanted pink hair and you're blonde or you have highlights and you're like, I really want to go pink, but you're just a little bit nervous. This is a great recommendation for you because you don't have to be fully committed to it. You can just wash your hair, and it's not gonna last you very long. It'll probably rinse out in 2 to 3 days. So definitely recommend this. I'm hoping it'll last me for about a week, so I'm gonna try to like not wash my hair every single day, which is already bad for you, but with working out and stuff like that, I've just been washing my hair a lot more lately. And yeah, this is the finished look and I'm super impressed. Highly recommend. Again, you can get this at Target. Kristin Ess, this is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to make this video. I just thought it would be super fun to try. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you've been here before but you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. And if you have any questions, comments about hair, any recommendations, suggestions that you want from me, please leave them down below in that comment section. And so happy to have you guys here. I hope you're taking care of yourself, and I'll see you next time.